How to get USDT in Phantom wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily get USDT in your Phantom wallet account. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Phantom wallet application, and then you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already, or create your account if you don't have it. Then you just have to tap on the receive button that you will be able to see on the home page, and once you tap on receive, you will be landed on this page where you will be able to find 4 different types of coins and their respective addresses. Here you will be able to find Solana, Ethereum, Polygon and Bitcoin addresses. So basically you can use these addresses in order to get USDT in your account. So among these, you just have to select that particular network which you want to use in order to receive USDT. You can use Ethereum network. So let's say you just have used Ethereum network, so you just have to tap on the copy button right next to it, and once it says you that copied, it simply means that you have copied the Ethereum address. Now you can use this address in order to get USDT from any other exchanges like Binance, OKX, KuCoin, MEXC, etc., or from any other wallets. If you want to get the QR code, then you just have to tap on the QR code option and you will be able to find the QR code, and this way you will be able to easily get it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.